My name is Ben with Building Code Tips, and today's construction countdown is about egress windows. Just what to think about if you're putting in an egress window. This particular egress window you can see is a casement window, so you can see the crank right there. So it is one big window, so that way when it opens it meets the requirement for size, which is 5.7 square feet. And then when you're measuring height, how high does this window have to be above the floor? Well, from the floor down here to the opening is 44 inches. If you're over 44 inches, it will not be counted as an egress window. And if you can see outside through the window, you can see this ladder right here. If the window well outside is over 44 inches deep, then a window well ladder is required. The other thing to think about is up here where you're framing, you want to make sure that you have a header up there when you cut in, or still leave concrete up there. That way you are supporting any floor system or any roof load that is over the window when you cut it in. And also right down here in the dirt, if you're looking outside, make sure that dirt is about 6 inches below the window outside, so you don't get any rain or snow buildup that could find its way into the house. That should cover it for egress windows. This has been with Building Code Tips.